Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
Today our lesson is set of integers.
Sorry, I need a revision on counting number.
Don't worry, I will give you a book to choose the counting number and natural number. The set of counting number donated by capital letter C and start with 1 containing element 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The set of natural number donated by capital letter N and started with 0 and contain element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The set of even number contain element 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The set of odd number contain 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Counting number subset of natural number. Subset and not subset used to make a relation between two sets, and belong and not belong used to make relation between element and set of integer represented by capital letter Z and contain element 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and contain negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4 and so on. The element 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on donated by Z positive, which is positive integer, and element negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on represented by Z negative, which is negative integer. Then the set of integer can be equal negative integer union 0 union positive integer. Some notes: Z positive, which is positive integer, contain element 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and it equal counting number. Z negative, which is negative integer, contain element negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4 and so on. Z positive, which is positive integer union 0 equal big letter N, which is natural number. Z negative, which is negative integer intersection positive integer equal 4. Representing integer on number line as shown in this picture, 0 as the center because 0 is neither positive nor negative. At the right of 0 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, the positive integer. At the left of 0 we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, which is negative integer.
طيب يلا بينا نحل بعض الإكزامبلز على representing integer numbers on number line. يديني أول واحد set فيها النمبرز 4 ونيجاتيف 2 0 3 ونيجاتيف 5. طيب أول حاجة هنعمل إيه؟ نرسم النمبر لاين. النمبر لاين عندي straight line عادي، في النص بيكون عندي 0 و to the right عندي البوزيتيف numbers، to the left عندي النيجاتيف numbers. طيب هو هنا بيقول لي 4، فأنا هروح عند 4 وهعمل بوينت. بعد كده نيجاتيف 2 هروح عند نيجاتيف 2 وهعمل بوينت. 0 3 ونيجاتيف 5. كده انا عملت ايه؟ عملت ريبريزنتيشن للسيت دي على النمبر لاين. طيب نشوف واحد تاني بيقول لي هنا نيجاتيف 2 نيجاتيف 1 0 1 و2 نيجاتيف 2 نيجاتيف 1 0 1 2. طيب هنا عشان النمبرز بتاعتي مترتبين ورا بعض هعمل ايه؟ هوصلهم ببعض كده. كده معناه ان انا خدت بس النمبرز دي. طيب نشوف اخر واحد مديني هنا infinite set، يعني ايه؟ 3 4 5 و so on، يعني هتفضل مكمله infinite. هعمل ايه هنا؟ هروح عند الستارت اللي هي 3 هعمل بوينت، هروح عند ال4 هعمل بوينت، وال5 هعمل بوينت. طيب لو انا عملت كده وصلتهم الثلاثه بس ببعض، كده معناها ان انا خدت 3 4 5 بس. بس هنا هو عامل لي ايه؟ سبيس. سبيس معناها ايه؟ ان دي infinite set، يعني هتفضل مكمله. يبقى هنعمل ايه؟ هنعمل arrow، معناه ان انا هفضل مكمل.
integer. The concept of the absolute value of integer. Absolute value of -3, it is represented by using vertical bar to the left and to the right of the number. This thing here is read as absolute value of -3. The absolute value of a number just tell us its distance from 0 on a number line. If we have number line like this, where will -3 lie? It will lie here. It's 3 units away from 0. It's a symbol the distance between -3 and 0. And remember that distance is never negative. We cannot say that it's -3 units. We say absolute of -3 equals 3. What would be the absolute value of 3? Will be written like this. How far is 3 from 0 on number line? It's 3 units away from 0. Absolute value of 3 equals 3 and absolute value of 0 is 0. Stop video before answer the question, then complete the video. Question number 1, true or false? Negative integer union natural equal big letter Z, which is set of integer. If we add the element of negative integer to the element of natural number, we get the integers. Question number 2, integers minus natural. If we remove the element of natural number from the element of integers, we get the negative integer. Question number 3, counting number subset of natural number subset of integers. That is true, because counting number subset of natural subset of integer. Question number 4, which integer represent $1 loose? Loose mean -1. Question number 5, which sign makes the statement true? We studied absolute of -6 is 6, absolute of -7 is 7, so 7 greater than 6. Question number 6, which sign makes the statement true? -9 or absolute value of -4? Absolute value of -4 is 4, so 4 is greater than -9. Question number 7, the opposite of integer 9 is -9. True or false? True. Question number 8, which integer represent 4 degrees colder today than yesterday? Is -4. Question number 9, what is the opposite of -16? Question number 10, integer represent 5 gallon increase in volume.